How to install Bootstrap in your Angular application. Bootstrap, also called Twitter Bootstrap, is a popular, free and open source library for building responsive websites. It provides a collection of HTML, CSS and JavaScript pre-styled components like forms, buttons, navigation grid and many more. Bootstrap helps developers save time by focusing on website functionality instead of spending too much time on styling and layout. There are several ways to install Bootstrap in an Angular application. Two of them are NPM and CDN. CDN, or Content Delivery Network, is a system of servers that delivers web content to users based on their location. It also reduces server load, potentially saving bandwidth. First, let's start the application. And open the URL where the application is available locally. Currently, the app only displays one button with no styles. When we add Bootstrap, the button will be styled. BTN and BTN Primary are the names of the Bootstrap CSS classes. To use a CDN, copy the CSS code from Bootstrap homepage to your index.html head section. Do the same for JS code. Let's refresh the application. You can see that the button is styled, so Bootstrap works correctly. Another way to install Bootstrap is npm, which stands for Node Package Manager, the default package manager for Node.js. To install Bootstrap using npm, open the command line tool, go to your project directory and type npm install bootstrap. If you want to install a specific version, type @ and the version number, for example 5.0. After successful installation, Bootstrap appears in the package.json file and in your Node modules directory. The npm install command only installed Bootstrap but did not add it to your project. To add Bootstrap to your project, open the Angular.json file and add direct links to JS and CSS files. You can find these files in the Node modules/bootstrap/this directory. You need to add a JS file to the scripts array and a CSS file to the styles array. Both arrays can be found under Project, Architect, Build and Options. Remember to keep the proper order. Third-party files before project files, otherwise you won't be able to override Bootstrap styles. Let's start the application again and check if the button is displayed correctly. The button is styled, so the Bootstrap has been installed correctly. The third option for installing Bootstrap is called ngBootstrap. ngBootstrap is a set of Angular components and directives that wrap the latest version of Bootstrap. To add ngBootstrap to your project, copy the command from the home page and pass it in the command line tool. Let's start the application again. After successful installation, ngBootstrap appears in the package.json file and in your Node modules directory. Additionally, when you open App module, you will notice that the ngBootstrap module has been added to the imports array. Let's verify that the Bootstrap style works as expected by refreshing the application. You can see that the button is styled, so Bootstrap works correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment or subscribe.